Good evening, comrades. I'm sure we're all aware that the young man, Khanyile, is appearing in court tomorrow. I think it would be very good for us to go and support him. It will be absolutely very, very, very important that those who are arresting people on cases that we don't see the tail and the head of it, we should go to court and give them the support. It is absolutely important. In fact, it is something necessary that whenever one of us is facing such a situation, we should be there to give support and make it a point that they should know we are there to defend our comrades. So please, just go there. Quite a number of cases are now coming, and you need to be aware of it and to be there to support one another. Thank you for listening, and please be there tomorrow.